Happy Monday. Welcome back, everyone. Master Trainer Kiona Leah. And by request, we are doing a booty camp tonight. Just remember, this was by request. It was not my idea. This is a fantastic workout. There are tons and tons and tons of great tweaks to the moves themselves, and we're gonna switch it up right in the middle and hit the floor for some bun blasters, some diva derriere, and some other great moves on the floor to really lift and sculpt that booty. So let's go ahead and get started. Those heels, lift those toes, tuck, lift and down, and relift and redrop those toes. Now we're going to do organs in place. So make sure, again, heels are tucked in. Inhale, push, lift on the exhale. Left side first, fingers all the way down the side of the left hip. Pull into the center, shoulders back. Tighten 1, 2, 3, and 4. Other side, right hip. Press in, scoop over, tighten the shoulders. Tighten 2, 3, 4, underneath the urinary bladder, press in, pull up, release one hand, go all the way across, under the belly button, do it again, pull up, shoulders back, tighten, 2, 3, 4. Now, here we go, Bunn lifting sequence. Spread your toes, make your mouse house. Now, you're gonna lift straight to the ceiling, leave the hands where they are. Lift, 2, you squeeze your butt each time, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 more, 9 and 10. Good. Now, lift the heels, spread those toes again, 10 more. Lift, 2, 3, 4 more, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 more, 9 and 10. I lied. Hold it up, shoulders back. Good. Inhale, drop the toes, squeeze the knees, open them only hip width, that's the hard part. Tuck round the spine and down. Lift up. So you want to go in with the knees, open only hip width, down and up. That was the stretch. Here we go. We're doing 10. Shoulders press back. If you want to release the hands on the belly, you may. You don't have to. You can leave them here. Either way, you got to press those elbows into the mat and lengthen the spine. Ready? Here we go. Squeeze knees, hip width, down, tuck, up. Squeeze knees, hip width, down, that's 2. Squeeze knees, hip width, down, that's 3. Squeeze knees, hip width, 4, and down, hip, out, down, number 5. That's halfway. In, hip, down, that's 6. In, hip, down, that's 7. In, hip, yes we can, 2 more. In, hip, down, that's 8. In, hip, down, that's 1 more. In, hip, down, that's 10. Hold it up. Lift it higher. 2, 3, 4 more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Hold it up as high as you can. Squeeze the butt. Hold, hold, hold. From the shoulder blades, roll on down. Nice job. Grab one knee. Inhale. Grab the other knee. Exhale. And press. Tuck the chin. Swing. And then come up. Done. You can come around and sit or stand up. Either one. Great job. If you want to grab some water before you unmute with any questions, you can do that. Otherwise, any questions?
No, no questions.
Nice job. Well, hopefully that very last stretch that we did from Postural Restoration really helps to stretch out the hip capsule and release some of the lactic acid that we built up from all the T-tap strength building moves that we did. It's just such a wonderful stretch, and I highly recommend, you can go back through my YouTube and Facebook channels, and I've demonstrated the full stretch of that with the little pillow under the knee. It's such a fantastic stretch for that opposite hip capsule. It just feels amazing. So fingers crossed we all have slightly less sore booties tomorrow than what we've done in booty camps in the past. If not, you know how to sit your butt in those Epsom salts bath. Highly recommend, and we'll see you next week.